Hey, it's Trish, and this is the Best of Fold of the Week, where I'm wrapping up 15 years of the show with a special series highlighting fan favorites and my picks for the best of what we've seen across 655 episodes. This week, we'll look at the best of event invitations. And this is a category that had so many great candidates, it was really hard to decide. I've narrowed it down to 6 outstanding ideas that go from simple to complex, so let's see who made the cut. I like to start simple and build up, so here's a wonderfully simple and interactive idea for you that I'm bringing back from episode 408. This is just a 4-page brochure with a simple die cut on the cover and a wheel fastened by an eyelet. Turn the wheel and you reveal graphics and event information both on the outside and the inside of the invitation. I love the colors and the illustrations and how irresistible the wheel is as an engagement tool. Next up is a beautiful and playful event invitation for the Miami City Ballet Gala that was featured back on episode 245. The layered cover features shimmery red foil and a short trim cover that offers a whimsical peek of dancers' legs. When you open it up, you see that it's a swinger fold that operates in the center of the piece, flanked by event information on either side. The dancers dance in the center. It's so pretty, and it's great as a self-standing piece as well because of the accordion format. This is just beautiful and thoughtful design paired with creative die cutting. Okay, now let's look at a beautiful twist fold design from episode 454 that made the cut not only for its format and beautiful use of paper and foil, but also for the production planning behind the design. Due to the nature of how the twist fold works, with all the panels in view when fully opened, the design technically can be one-sided, which they chose to do. And this piece has no printing, it's only foil stamped. I love the shimmery foil and the midnight blue paper, it's just gorgeous. Here's a gem from episode 160, a gorgeous invitation for Mohegan Sun. There's an aquatic theme, so they used a specialty paper from Group Accordions that has a wavy water-like pattern embedded in it, and shimmery metallic inks. Break the custom silver seal to reveal that the carrier is a crossfold with curved panels, and there's a pocket inside that holds a 3-panel accordion with soft water-like panels. This piece works a theme like no other. It's beautiful and elegant and perfect for a special New Year's Eve event. Here's a lovely hybrid dimensional format from episode 321 that was designed for a special holiday event. A simple tucked cover leads to the reveal of an open gate with swinger fold combination. This is a cross-fold open gate swinger fold hybrid format that holds a wonderful silver ampersand bottle opener and a set of cards with event information. I love how the ampersand is nested into the cards through a die cut ampersand shape. It's just so well executed and awesome that the recipient also gets a special keepsake to hang on to. And now, for the grand finale of exceptional event invitations, I present to you the amazing flamingo design for the Zoo Ball at the Fort Worth Zoo from episode 316. This perfectly flat invitation that mailed in a custom envelope leaves no clue about the surprise that's inside. A beautiful pink flamingo paper sculpture that pops up effortlessly when opened. Shimmery paper, engineered perfection, falls into place when the right panel is unfolded. It's just so exciting and unexpected. I mean, who wouldn't go to this event? Amazing, right? I love this category because event invitations are usually designed outside the lines of standard marketing and branding and can feature some really fun themes. I think we saw a great range of solutions, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the episode, it's just the tip of the event marketing iceberg for sure. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you in 2 weeks with another episode of Best of Fold of the Week. Bye.